Zelado.com. Try this beneficial detox with pineapple. Due to a lack of energy during this detox, you may find that you suffer from anxiety, general discomfort, and mood swings. There are several plans to detox with pineapple. They're based on the known properties of the fruit that aim to help you lose that weight and feel better. What are those properties? Let's look into it. Pineapple is one of the most famous fruits around thanks to its diuretic and cleansing properties. Those properties promote weight loss and are beneficial to the body. It contains plenty of water and antioxidants. Therefore, it's not surprising that it can fight fluid retention and eliminate toxins, while helping you shed a few pounds at the same time. How to detox with pineapple? Because of the many bad habits in our modern lifestyles, the body gets overloaded with functions to perform. Because of this, it can be difficult to remove the toxins that build up in the bloodstream, which can affect our bodily systems. Thanks to pineapple's high content of vitamins, minerals, and water, this fruit can promote your body's natural detox. As a result, it'll optimize system function and help eliminate those harmful waste products. In addition to this, pineapple contains high amounts of a digestive enzyme known as bromelain, which promotes good digestion and nutrient absorption, improving bowel function. Before going on a detox with pineapple, the pineapple detox is a great way to eliminate any excess fluid in the body and cleanse your liver, kidneys, and pancreas. However, we caution that you shouldn't do it very